Well, here's a 2015 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray Z51 2LT Coupe. What a beautiful car. Just 23,000 miles on this vehicle. And I have to tell you, right now we have a selection of some of the most beautiful color combinations of Corvettes and years and makes and models that you'll see anywhere in the country. This is a beautiful 2015 black on the exterior, jet black interior, and under the hood, 460 horsepower LT1 engine with 8-speed automatic paddle shift transmission. Now, factory features include the $4,160 2LT Preferred Equipment Group. This includes the heads-up display, Bose 10-speaker stereo system with steering wheel controls and MyLink, auto-dimming mirrors, heated and vented seats, dual power seat bolster and lumbar, advanced theft deterrent, universal garage door transmitter and memory package, and it has that Z51 performance package as well. Performance brakes, black brake calipers, slotted brake rotors, dry sump oiling, specific suspension, has the special front and rear wheels and tires, electronic limited slip differential with cooler, performance gear ratios, aerial package, and multi-mode exhaust. It has that red brake caliper override, black wheels that are beautiful, and it has a performance data recorder with navigation, Bluetooth package, dual power sport seats, keyless entry, keyless entry and start. Man, I'll get that right someday. Dual zone electronic climate control, HID headlights, tilt and telly side airbags, rear view camera. Everything on this car is power. And of course, it comes with a clean Carfax and some really nice options. Again, we said it shows just 23,703 miles. It's a really nice condition. The paint and the body are in good condition. It has a great shine, and those factory black wheels are in very good condition, and they look great. As you can see, the interior of this 2015 Corvette Stingray Z51 shows excellent factory leather seats, steering wheel, door panels, good to very good center console. Now, it does have some additions. They include window tint, carbon flash badges, airbag warning label, blackout covers, front grille blackout strip, and it has a black American flag decals on the quarter windows. Really looks nice. Really click the link right below this video and you can see more detailed photos, the full description, and get the pricing on this car. Then give us a call at 770-414-5552. We're buyavette.net in Atlanta, Georgia. Hope to hear from you really soon.